So today, give me a sec. So today, a little bit better. Today I'm gonna get new glasses, plus probably a car wash, just some light errands. And I'm excited. Usually when you get new glasses, kind of determines a bit of your look for the next couple years or until the next time you get glasses. So I'm excited. Decided to film it with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. If I'm facing the camera, that usually is going to mean that I'm using the front-facing camera. So let's go. Let's get these glasses, maybe a nice cup of coffee, shower first. Showered, gonna moisturize a little bit, and then we're off to, I don't know what time it is, but hopefully get a car wash and then get the glasses, depending on traffic. So I just got to the mall, and these are the glasses that I'm replacing. You see, I don't really like how they look anymore. I don't know why I initially chose the color blue. I do like the transition lens, but I just can't wait to get new ones. I don't know if it's because I'm due for new ones, but it's time they go. Let's go get new glasses. That was an absolute pleasure. It took me about half an hour. The lady found glasses that suit me immediately. Like the first pair that she gave me, I was content with how they looked. I tried on a bunch, but ended up going with her first recommendation. So that was super easy, super simple. It took a lot less time than I thought it was gonna take. And I feel good. I feel good about the purchase that I made. I get them in 7 to 10 business days, so I'll see how they look then. But as of right now, not bad. It's like, are you really Canadian if you go out and you spend more than 10 minutes in your car and you don't stop by a Tim Hortons? Come on. Got my steep tea. I definitely need a car wash. It's coming. It's coming. It's been about 2 weeks. It's coming. So I came to the park, played some football, soccer with the boy, and then probably just call it a night. Go home, have some dinner, some chili, call it a night after this. Let's go play. I want the ball to go back. I'm out of breath. Whew.